Hey, what's up, you guys? I do not know if this is the perfect angle. I'm hoping it is, but I recently just bought two things, and one of them is the most expensive thing I've spent my money on in a while, and actually my phone was. But this is something that you don't really need, but is a want, and especially if you do art. So the first thing I'll open is this. You may not know what it is. It doesn't. You can't zoom in and find none of my information because it's all at the top, anyways. So, yeah, this is straight from California, and they are OHUHU markers. Maybe wonder what OHUHU markers are, or maybe not if you're an artist because you're here for a reason. I ordered these about a week ago, and I just got them. So, we're just gonna open them. I ordered. Smells like markers, so no. I ordered 100 markers for $52. So, I'm pretty excited. This is the bag that they come in. And I've never seen these in person, so this is going to be like a reaction to them, you know. Oh my gosh, they're so much prettier than they are on camera. Look at these. Look, yeah, this is amazing. I love these so much already. Like, I cannot wait to test them out. I will be making a testing out video, but look at these. That's 100 markers. Am I going to sit here and count them? Absolutely not. So, in the bag, it comes with the thing that you put behind, like, thin paper so that the marker transfers on here and not onto the other page. And then it comes with this, but 10% off of everything on OHUHU markers. That's cool. So there's 100 in there. Totally worth it now that I look at them. Totally worth it. They're so nice. I cannot wait to draw with these. I got the fine nib. I did not get the brush nib, but there's a reason for that because I didn't know. Oh, look. 100 set. The colors on the thing, you know. So I did not know that these weren't the brush nib when I ordered them, and I was totally going to cancel the order. But then I was like, I've never had like nice markers that I've actually spent my own money on. So I was like, I'm not going to spend money on the Copic ones, because Copic or Copic, whatever, because I'm cheap, okay? But at the same time, if I want a good deal of markers that I've seen reviews on before, I'm going to get these ones. So the OHUHU markers is what I went with, and I'm so excited. I've been teaching myself how to draw and watching a lot of YouTube videos, so hopefully that'll help. And the next thing I got is a notebook. Why did it come in this big box? I don't know. Maybe the notebook is ginormous, so we're just going to open it. My information, once again, is not on here. It's just on the top, but you won't be able to see it because I'm not going to show you. Okay. I should probably cut these, huh? Ouch. 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 Okay. Inside the box. Look at all this paper. It's for what? A notebook? Oh, this sketchbook is way bigger than I imagined because I did not want it to be this big, but this is a sketchbook. English sketchbook I got. The paper is pretty thin. So, actually, it's not pretty thin. 75 letters. Who knows if my OHUHU markers will, I think I'm saying that right, if they will go through this. Not I. But at this point, I don't care. This is really for drawing and stuff. I'm excited to draw. It's one of those you create ones, very cheap, but so affordable and easy. So I'm so excited that I got these, and I cannot wait to make future videos with them. So thank you for watching, and yeah, bye. And do what makes you happy. Love ya.